everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Robin with Beauty and Style. We are getting ready to open up a 100 count makeup from Wholesale Ninjas, and I hope I got some good stuff. So let's get into this box and find out. And don't forget, if you like this content and what I'm doing, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like it, subscribe and share, and thank you a lot. Let's get into this box. Oh, I hope I got some different things than what I usually get from my other source. I'm getting makeup. Let's see. Well, I can always use paper. And there's enough of it. Look at all that paper. Okay, here's all the stuff. So, let's get into this. Oh boy, do I got a lot of this stuff. Oh, this one's smashed. But this is the Nyx Total Control foundation. Is that right there? The box is a little damaged, but this is okay. That's good. It has that on the, I'll have to check it out. But I got like all colors in here. I think this is all this stuff. All of it in here. Yep. See, I don't like that. I wanted more of a variety. I mean, I do like multiples, but I'd rather have a variety of different things. Look at that. This is all that liquid foundation. I'm going to have to give it a try. So I got a big thing of that. And let me tell you, this is lousy. I don't like this. I'm going to complain. I was hoping for much better variety. Here you have a 24-hour color tattoo by Maybelline. Leather is what it's called. That's the color. I got 2 of those in a box. And the Superstay stuff that I cannot get rid of. Well, I don't think I'm going to be ordering the makeup from Wholesale Ninjas either right now, because this sucks. Lipsticks by, who's it by? Maybelline lipsticks, 055, 075. That's what these are, and they're like in the plastic. They're a taupe. This is a taupe. And this, not sure what this is. Underdressed pink. That's what this is. And we got some more lipstick stuff. More. Wow, I'm just so excited. Not. More of this stuff. I'm just going to keep ordering from my other regular place. I thought I'd have, you know, a better variety of things like they usually send you. But they sent me poop. Dream Radiant Liquid, number 40, taupe. And some more Maybelline, what is it? Oh, some more of that 24-hour stuff. And it's the same leather color. So I got 4 of those now. 2 in a box. So I got 2 boxes. And more packing paper. Nothing else. This sucks. I don't like this. I'm going to complain. The last bit of makeup I got from Wholesale Ninjas was a lot better than this. This is terrible. Some more of the Dream Radiant Liquid in Cashew, number 80. Another Cashew. And another Cashew. Some more of these. Deep Bronze. Deep Bronze. Some more lipsticks in the same colors. Well, this one's the same color. Undressed Pink. Then Spicy Mauve. And Spicy Mauve. So disappointed. Vivid, and I paid $170 some plus shipping for this crap. I don't know. Anyhow, this is a Vivid Hot or something. Some more of the same stuff. Oops, I have no idea what's in these. I'll look into those in a minute. I don't like this. I don't like this. I think I got nothing but foundation and lipstick and a few eyeshadows. Another cashmere. Some more lipsticks. I have sold these, which is good. And this is, what color is this? I don't know. I can't see. I don't have my glasses right now. But it's number 260. 260. Got 4 of the same here. Looks like a plum color. And more of these. So let's see what's in. Well, I dropped one. Let's see what's in these boxes. Probably more lipstick. It's Maybelline. Master Precise. It's light black. Oh, eyeliners. These should do good. Sell them in, packs of 2. These are eyeliners. This is 410 black. Tight line black. That's what these are. This is not what I expected. This is not what I've gotten before from Wholesale Ninjas. And I'm going to complain. Let's see. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. They're all the tight line black. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 boxes of these. This was a lousy unboxing. I am telling you, I am very disappointed. I usually get, you know, at least 4 small bags, a variety of foundations, and I didn't pick just Maybelline either. All I got was Maybelline and NYX. I'm upset. I don't think they're going to get my business anymore. And I'm going to count these all up to see how many I got. It should be 170, no, 100 pieces. Upset. I mean, this has been opened. I mean, I'm going to have to go through these things and make sure that, no, they're not, the seal hasn't been broken or anything. Guess I'll be selling these in lots so I can get rid of them. I mean, very disappointing. I was expecting, you know, eyeshadows, mascaras. I need more mascaras. Different colored eyeliners like I used to get. Eyeshadows, you know, all that stuff that I get out of my other makeup wholesale people. This was not worth it. I mean, lipsticks, eyeliners, and a few foundations. And nothing but NYX foundations. A whole tub full. I'm not a happy camper. What would you guys do? Call and complain? I'm gonna call and complain. This is downright not what I expected. Got lipsticks. And these things just don't sell. I think maybe I've sold not even a handful of these things, and I sell them in lots of 2, and I've had them for a while, so I'm going to dig them out and I'm going to sell them as a big lot, because I don't get rid of those very fast. And then these lipsticks, I might be able to make, you know, make something out of these by lotting 2 bottles together, maybe. Light, medium, full. I don't know. I don't know the colors with these things. I don't know. Is this 20W? This is 00W. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna have to look into it. I've gotten these before, so they have to have some kind of a color, as you can tell the difference. This is more like an ivory. I wish it would tell you the color. Well, yeah, it does. On the side here. This is cinnamon. That's cinnamon. That's supposed to be cinnamon. Okay. And this is nude. It says nude right up in there. So that's where you find the color. What would I'm speechless. I've been holding on to this for a couple of days, waiting to do this because I've been busy doing some other things, and I was so excited because of my past makeups that I've gotten from Wholesale Ninjas, but this is nothing that I expected. I always got the eyeshadows and blushes and face powders and mascaras, and I'm not happy with this. I thought this would be a lot better video for you guys. I'm sorry. I just got poop. But I'll make what I can out of it. All the other stuff that I got from Wholesale Ninjas, like a long time ago when I was buying the 200 HBA lots, the 300 HBA lots, and that was very hard to sell. I lotted them all up in boxes, and I've been selling those just to get rid of it all, because, and then giving some away because I haven't been able to sell them. So I don't recommend Wholesale Ninjas. I do not. Alright everybody, thank you for watching this disappointing makeup unboxing from Wholesale Ninjas. Very disappointing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming and seeing what I got. And thank you for all my regulars for showing up and watching this poopy unboxing of this makeup 100 count from Wholesale Ninjas. I didn't get what I usually have gotten. Not gonna do it again. I don't think so. I think they've lost my business now. Yeah, this is a poor excuse for an assorted makeup box. No, not gonna do it again. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified when I show up again. And thank you everybody else for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.